Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair and how I styled it, cut it, laid it, did the baby hairs, everything on this hair. So this hair is from Nadula hair. So this is the package. I've never tried their hair before, but I have seen lots of people review it. So this is the box and everything, and then you know the hair comes in these plastic bags. They also sent some lashes, and then I did have a little bit of hair left over. So I'm gonna tell you guys what type of hair I have and all the tea on it. So this hair that I have is the Brazilian body wave hair. I have a 20-inch, a 22-inch, a 24-inch with an 18-inch frontal. So with this hair, you guys know I usually like my longest length to be fuller than the lengths that the company selected, and usually I will say I need 2 bundles of the longest length, but I knew that I was going to cut this hair anyway, so I just went ahead with the 24-inch, and then I did cut it up to about a 22, I would say, because the ends are quite full now, or maybe it could be a little bit shorter, I'm not sure. This is what I did with the hair for this particular video. I just used a big one curl. If you can see, it is a larger size than what I normally use, so I did want the curls to be like kind of more big and more loose. And I just did a middle part with some curls with some really popping baby hairs and everything like that. Now the style that I had in mind, I did not want to cut this hair that short yet. I did want to kind of rock it with a little bit of the inches, but I did want to cut off the ends just because it wasn't as full on the ends. Like, it can still give you a really natural look, but I just wanted the ends to be really full, so I went ahead and cut it. Plus I just kind of wanted a little bit of shorter hair than I normally rock, but not like a bob, but still, you know, some length, but not to my butt like I usually do. So yeah, I think this is a really cute length and it's very full. This hair is so freaking soft. So yeah, stay tuned, jump into the video on how I did this hair. Okay, so for this hair, I actually had a different style in mind, but I have to do 2 videos on this hair for you guys anyway. So I decided I would just do 2 different styles. So first style that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do some loose wand curls because I don't want it to be super tight. I was just gonna use a regular curling iron, but a wand is so fast, so I'm just gonna use a wand. But the style that I wanted to do, I was gonna cut this hair, so I said let me just rock the length maybe for a couple of days or whatever before I just cut it off, because you know we have some length here, and I think it's like 24 or 26. I will have to check everything and let you guys know, or it'll be in the intro anyways. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start layering the hair because the style that I want to do is much shorter anyway whenever I do that style, so I don't really care about taking off length and stuff like that. So yeah, for the style that I'm doing next, I feel like even with the layers it will still be just fine. And I picked up another pair of shears because mine are really dull, so I'm just gonna kind of face frame the front area just so that we can get some nice layers going whenever we actually curl the hair and you can see all of it. definitely see the part now, but what we need to do is put makeup. We need to put some mousse on it to mute it down so it's not ashy. So I just put enough right in there. And then just pat it out. Now you can see it. Okay, dolls, so that is it. This is how I styled the hair and how it looks. Let me give you a close-up of the edges and the parts. So this is the hair. I will stand up and show you. Don't forget to comment down below and all that jazz. So yes, this hair is nice. I love how it turned out and it's popping.